alligator, snappy and green. B is for bear, the biggest you've seen. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, who hops along. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for horse, who loves to haul. I is for iguana, green and sly. J is for jaguar, speedy guy. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. O M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for newt, by the tree. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling just right. Q is for quail, quick on her feet. R is for rabbit, oh so sweet. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger, watch him go. U is for Uriel, the wild mountain sheep. V is for vulture, circling deep. W is for whale, who sings a song. X is for X-ray, tetra, swimming along. Y is for yak, with shadow